Hey, thanks for checking me out through this dual canvas splash of colors where we've got our beautiful aquas, teals, and blues with a little bit of gold sprinkled through, and it looks amazing when it's hanging on your wall. Trust me, these are the ones that sell. If you want to make one just like this, did you a favor and put links down below of all the supplies I use, and those links help my channel grow. So thank you so much, and hey, while you're down there, you can also hit like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And if you want to go above and beyond, you too can become a YouTube channel member, which helps my channel even more. But until next time, you can check out these other acrylic pours that are going to make your canvases stand out and bring a lot of color to your home. Check you later, and of course, peace!